Hello and welcome to Universal Grip. Today I will be showing you our ASTM E8 sample cutting press and die. So this system consists of two main components. One is the die, which you see embedded inside of the press, and then we also sell the press as well. The die can be used inside any existing press. Now we've loaded the sample into the press, and the press is now moving down and cutting the sample. This press and die solution will cut any sample up to about 1 millimeters in thickness for most steels. If you have any thicker than that, we have more specialized solutions for more robust steel. Now the sample has been successfully cut and it will exit out into this tray, and we'll pull it out here. So you can see a nice perfectly cut sample. We'll then go and grind down the edges so we can get perfect fine edges. Universal Grip also offers a grinding tool if you're doing multiple samples per day in a production type environment. And this is the sheet steel. So if you have any questions on this press or die for ASTM E8 or similar type tensile testing, you can contact us at universalgripco.com. Thanks for watching.